the sun just came up. We've been out here since about 5. We came in here when the feeder went off, so we didn't pick any deer. So let's see what we can get. I'll shoot anything that comes in front of me right now, because I haven't got a deer yet. So stay tuned.
She didn't go far at all. We can see her from here, so.
It's freaking cold.
Yeah, it's cold. It's 30-some degrees this morning. Good job, buddy.
Yeah. lot of blood. Everywhere. Yeah! Oh, there she is. Well, she's not the biggest, but she's still my first year with my compound. Wow. Yep. I hit her kind of far back on that one shot, but then got it right through the lungs on the second one, so she didn't go 10-15 yards. Just, I am beyond happy. Man. What? Bow hunting, it looks easy. It is not. She almost busted me when I was trying to stand up. And then, oh man, I can't even talk right. I'm so excited. Man, I'm speechless. I don't even know what to think right now. I can't process what just happened. Wow. Beautiful.
Alright, it's October the 29th. I actually just took the kids to school. It's about 7:45 now. I wasn't going to hunt today, but I decided to hurry up and try to get in this blind. There was a lot of does and stuff coming through in front of this camera yesterday and the day before, and I got a doe tag and a buck tag to fill, so I'm going to see if I can fill one this morning. When I walked out here, I got in the blind, there was already a buck. He was chasing along the edge, so I don't know. We'll see what happens. It's still early yet. Maybe it's something to come through. Stay with us. I can't believe that just happened. Yes. Oh, I just smoked a big old doe. Oh. That was absolutely crazy. I took the kids to school this morning. at 7:30. I wasn't planning on coming in to hunt, and I drove past and I seen some deer in the field, so I took the kids to school and swung back home, grabbed my stuff, grabbed my gear, got into the blind, and it wasn't 5 minutes after I got into the blind, a buck was chasing a doe around, so I slipped in here and he disappeared into the back, and it wasn't 15 minutes and here comes a big old doe. She come right in range, 15 yards, and I put the smack down on her. She is done. Oh my God, yes. That's incredible. Half-hour hunt, that's it. Sometimes these little hunts where you don't think you're going to get something and you decide not to go, maybe you should go. This proves it right here. Oh my gosh, my first tag for 2019 is filled. Yes. Stick with us here, and I'll get out here in a little bit and I'll go track her. We'll grab the arrow and well, here she is. It's October the 29th. It's about 9:30 in the morning, and I got it done. I filled my first tag here in Ohio. This big old doe, and can't complain. It was an awesome morning. Dropped the kids off to school at 7:30 this morning. Got home, changed real quick, and busted butt and got out into the blind. And within 15 minutes after being in the blind, this big girl came in. So I could not pass it up. Thank you, Lord. Now I'm gonna get my tag on her and get her out of here. Then the work begins.